Pyramids of Giza, 3-4th Dynasty. Pyramids erected on a rocky plateau on the west bank of the Nile River near Al-Giza in northern Egypt. In ancient times, they were included among the 7 wonders of the world. The ancient ruins of the Memphis area, including the Pyramids of Giza, Saqqara, Dahshur, Abu Ruwaish, and Abu Sir, were collectively designated a UNESCO World Heritage since 1979. Khufu's pyramid is perhaps the most colossal single building ever erected on the planet. Its sides rise at an angle of 51-52 and are accurately oriented to the 4 cardinal points of the compass. The Great Pyramid's core is made of yellowish limestone blocks, the outer casing now almost completely gone, and the inner passages are of a finer light color limestone, and the interior burial chamber is built of huge blocks of granite. Approximately 2.3 million blocks of stone were cut, transported, and assembled to create the 5.75 million ton structure, which is a masterpiece of technical skill and engineering ability. The internal walls, as well as those few outer casing stones that still remain in place, show finer joints than any other masonry constructed in ancient Egypt.
Now I will tell you about the volume of the pyramid. The formula of the volume of pyramid is 1/3 times base area times height. Now we enter the volume into the formula. So it will be 1/3 times 230.6 times 230.6 for the base area and times 146.6 for the height. And then we got the volume is 2.6 million meters cubed. Now we move to the surface area of pyramid. Formula of the surface area of the pyramid is total of base area plus total of lateral face area. Then we enter the value into the formula, which is 230.6 square for the total of base area plus 4 times 1/2 times 230.6 times 186.51. So we will get 139,194.772 meters square.
The history of the soccer ball design traces back to the 18th, when early balls were made of leather and had a simple round shape. A significant milestone in soccer ball evolution occurred during the 1970 FIFA World Cup, when Adidas introduced the Tesla ball, featuring a revolutionary design with 32 panels, which is 12 black pentagons and 20 white hexagons, giving the ball a near spherical shape. This 32-panel design became iconic and remained widely used until more modern balls adopted new geometries. Did you know, in terms of materials, early soccer balls were crafted from leather, while today's balls are made from synthetic materials like polyurethane, offering improved durability and water resistance. The shape of the modern ball is based on truncated icosahedron, which is a geometric structure with 32 panels. Standard soccer balls typically have a circumference of 68 to 70 cm and weight between 410 and 450 grams.
Today, we learn how to calculate the volume of a soccer ball. A soccer ball is nearly spherical, so we can approximate its volume using the formula for the volume of a sphere. The formula is V equal to 4/3 pi r cubic, where r is the radius of the ball. First step, we must understand the formula. The formula uses the radius is r of the sphere. The radius is the distance from the center of the ball to its surface. And then, we must substitute the value of r. For example, if the soccer ball's radius is 11 cm, we substitute r equals to 11 into the formula. V equals to 4/3 pi 11 cubic. First, calculate 11 cubic. and then plug it back into the formula. Multiply 1331 by pi, approximately 3.14159, and then we get 4188.79. Then multiply by 4/3, and we will get the volume of the soccer ball is approximately equals to 5575.28 centimeter cubic. Did you know that the soccer ball shape is based on a truncated icosahedron? It's a polyhedron made of 12 pentagons and 20 hexagons, and its surface area can be calculated by finding the areas of these polygons and adding them together. First, formula for the area of pentagon. The formula to calculate the area of a pentagon with its length A is 1/4 square root 5 times open bracket 5 plus 2 sec 5 close bracket times A square. Since the soccer ball has 12 pentagons, the total area of all pentagon is 12 times area of pentagon. Then, we must know formula for the area of a hexagon. Similarly, the area of a hexagon with its length A is 3 sec 3/2 times A square. The soccer ball has 20 hexagons, so the total area of all hexagon is 20 times area of hexagon. And then, to find the total surface area of the soccer ball, add the total areas of the pentagons and hexagons together. For example, if the edge length A equals to 5 cm, calculate area pentagons and multiply by 12. Then, calculate area of hexagons and multiply by 20. Add them together to get the total surface area. This process shows how geometry and mathematical formulas help us understand complex shapes like the soccer ball. The combination of pentagons and hexagons give it both structure and beauty.
As a conclusion, Case 1, the Great Pyramids of Giza is a marvel of ancient engineering and geometry. This highlights the precision of its construction as its dimensions closely align with mathematical principles. The pyramid's design demonstrates how ancient civilization integrated geometry to create enduring architectural masterpieces that continue to fascinate the world today. And as for Case 2, the soccer ball demonstrates how geometry enhances practically and performance in sports. The truncated icosahedron provides a near-perfect sphere for optimal aerodynamics, while mathematical precision ensures its consistent structure and weight distribution.